Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson blasts DPWH officials in Bulacan, accusing them of squandering nearly ₱1 billion in casinos while residents suffer in floodwaters. Here is a report.
Parang nakinikinit ako na, Mr. President, na nagtatawanan pa ang mga matatalinong gagong matching na ito habang nagbibiyahe papuntang kasino, dala ang kwartang kinulimbat habang naglilimas ng tubig baha papalabas ng kanilang mga bahay ang mga pobreng taga Bulacan.
Blatant, shameless, without conscience. That was the fiery statement of Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson against several DPWH Bulacan officials accused of squandering billions in casinos. Lacson exposed the so-called BGC boys, or Bulacan Group of Contractors, a ring of 5 officials allegedly consumed by gambling and corruption. Identified were Henry Alcantara, alias Joseph Castro Villegas, Bryce Erickson Hernandez, alias Marvin Santos de Guzman, JP Mendoza, alias PJ Castro Asuncion, RJ Domasig, alias Sandro Bernardo Park, and Edric San Diego. They reportedly used fake names and IDs to enter casinos. Based on documents, the group spent an estimated 950 million pesos in various casinos in Metro Manila, Cebu, and Pampanga.
Habang lubog pa rin sa tubig baha ang mga taga Bulacan dahil sa mga pangungurakot na mga ito, sige pa rin ang pagpapasasa ng BGC Boys sa pagwawaldas ng pera ng taong bayan. Walang kahiya-hiya sa katawan. Wala pong konsyensya ang mga ito, Mr. President.
Lacson added, the group curiously managed to win nearly ₱500 million in casinos. Too lucky perhaps? Or was there something else at play?
Sinuwerto nga ba sabay-sabay na nanalo ang mga ito, Mr. President? O baka naman money laundering scheme? May report kami at ito ay amin pang binabalidate na peke lang ang pagdeklara nilang panalo.
The controversy doesn't stop at gambling. Even their projects raised red flags like this ₱92 million flood control project in Barangay Perez, Bulacan. It was awarded on December 17, 2024. Just 3 days later, by December 20, it was already reported as 46% complete.
2 araw, Ginoong Pangulo, halos nangangalahati na agad sila sa accomplishment. May pambihirang talento at unusual speed pala ang mga taga-Sims Construction. O baka may magic, Christmas magic, dahil magpapasko na.
3 months later, the firm claimed 89% completion, even though photos showed barely any progress.
No-brainer, ika nga, maliwanag na iisa ang larawan na ginamit at sinumite para sa 2 progress billings ng Sims.
The most explosive revelation, Global Crete Builders, which allegedly cornered over ₱2.2 billion worth of flood control projects. According to Lacson, the company is owned by the family of Candaba Mayor Rene Maglanque. Global Crete is also linked to MBB Global Properties, whose officials include the children of high-ranking government figures, including DPWH's Bonoan. The company president is Mayor Maglanque's son. The corporate secretary is the daughter of retired DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. The treasurer, Bonoan's own child.
Kaya naman pala ang palaging depensa ni dating DPWH Secretary Bonoan, isolated case lang daw. Ayaw na siguro ni Bonoan na maungkat pa sa investigasyon ang Global Crete.
Neither Bonoan nor Maglanque has issued a statement. Lacson, meanwhile, called for criminal charges to be filed against everyone involved, whether contractors, DPWH officials, or even lawmakers.